Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have the perfect little packing cube that is different from a lot of other packing cubes I've seen. This is from Eagle Creek, and this is a tube cube. Now, I have several of their products and I really like all of them, but this is one of my go-tos because I love the shape of this. It is perfect for things like underwear or socks or just little items, and I love the shape of this because it fits really nicely like in between the bars in a suitcase. So it just helps to really maximize your space and keep things organized. So this has a nice top handle. It makes it easy to carry or pull it in and out of your suitcase or bag. The zippers work really well, and it is a two-way zipper. And then there's this mesh right in the front so you can actually see what's inside, and also it just helps with breathability. So this is a must-have if you are packing and wanting to keep things organized and really maximize your luggage space. So I would definitely check out this packing tube cube. That's my point of view.